Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Power Platform. Today we are going to learn sign up for Power Virtual Agents. For that we need to go to powervirtualagents.microsoft.com. This is a portal where we can sign up for Power Virtual Agents, and we have on top right sign in and try free. We have already account, we can sign in with this option and start free. These are the options to take us to different window to sign up the Power Virtual Agents, and another option also there to sign up Power Virtual Agents. Click on pricing. Yeah, this is a licensing price for Power Virtual Agents, which is 1000 US dollars per month for 2000 sessions. And also we have session add-on, which is 450 US dollars per month for 1000 sessions. And we have try free. Click on try free. It will navigate us to different screen to sign up for virtual agents. And here it's asking email ID. It's only accepts business email ID or school IDs. So I have already Power Platform account. I will enter the Power Platform school account ID. Click on next. Looks like you're already Microsoft customer. Yes. Click on sign in. It's asking password. Click on yes. Click on get started. Yeah, it's asking boat name. Give the boat name. And language English US, and it's asking which environment this boat to be linked. I'm going with customer service. Click on create. It will take a couple of minutes to create the boat. Now boat got created for this Power Virtual Agents. It takes some time to set up the boat. Yeah, now boat got created and it's setting up the things in the background. Yeah, now everything got set up. Now we can see on the left panel home topics, where we are going to create the topics and entities. Now boat got set up everything. Yeah, this is how we sign up for Power Virtual Agents. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.